What if your ATV could dive straight into the water? Meet the Quadski XL, the ultimate amphibious machine built for pure adrenaline. Developed by Gibbs Sports Amphibians, this rare beast blends an ATV with a personal watercraft into one seamless powerhouse. Under the hood, a BMW K1300-derived engine pushes out around 140 horsepower, launching you to nearly 45 miles per hour on both land and water. And here's the magic. Its hydraulic wheel retraction system transforms it from quad bike to jet ski in under 5 seconds. No stopping, no switching vehicles, just non-stop action. Originally priced near $48,000, it's now a prized find for thrill seekers chasing extreme, all-terrain freedom.
This machine fears absolutely nothing. Meet the Sherp Ark, a true survival titan built for the harshest places on Earth. This isn't a weekend toy. It's a heavy-duty amphibious beast engineered to conquer mud, snow, sand, rocks, and shattered terrain without hesitation. Its gigantic, ultra-low-pressure tires glide over obstacles that would stop ordinary vehicles cold. Powered by a rugged diesel engine, it reaches about 18 miles per hour on land and steadily cruises through water at nearly 4 miles per hour. Carrying up to 7,500 pounds of cargo or 22 passengers, it's mission-ready for rescues and remote expeditions. With a price above $500,000, capability comes first.
Launch from land without a ramp. Meet the Fin Chaser 700 HTA 4WD, a premium amphibious powerhouse built in New Zealand for serious performance. Crafted from marine-grade aluminum, this machine is engineered for durability and control in demanding conditions. Its full-time 4WD Anura amphibious system allows smooth, effortless beach launches. No trailer drama, no waiting. On water, the Mercury 250 horsepower V8 Verado unleashes strong torque and cruising speeds around 28 miles per hour, delivering stability even in rough seas. With advanced ride control and fishing-ready features, it's built for adventure and sport. Starting near $329,950, this is high-end amphibious capability done right. Drive it to the lake, then sail away. Meet the WaterCar EV, where street-legal driving meets open water freedom. Hand-built in Southern California, this eye-catching amphibious machine comfortably seats 4 and transitions from road to water in just minutes. On land, it cruises at around 25 miles per hour, but once afloat, the 115 horsepower outboard engine pushes it up to 35 miles per hour with confident stability. A waterproof 48-volt drive system keeps everything running smoothly. Designed as a premium weekend adventure vehicle, it blends novelty with real functionality. Starting near $140,000 plus a refundable deposit, this is bold engineering built to turn heads everywhere.
8 wheels, 0 limits, total domination. Meet the Argo Sasquatch XTX, a true 8x8 amphibious beast engineered for extreme terrain. Built with unstoppable 8x8 drive, it powers through mud, snow, swamps, and jagged rock without hesitation. A reliable V-twin engine delivers strong torque and dependable performance when the environment turns unforgiving. Heavy-duty tires and advanced suspension provide relentless traction and precise control across unpredictable surfaces. Its rugged frame and generous cargo capacity make it mission-ready for hunters, rescue crews, and serious explorers. On land or water, it stays balanced and confident. Pricing reflects its professional-grade durability and capability. If you demand all-terrain freedom, this machine delivers.
From driveway to deep water, effortlessly. Meet the Sea Legs 8.5-meter alloy cabin, a premium amphibious boat engineered for strength, comfort, and total versatility. Built with a rugged aluminum cabin, it combines durability with refined leisure design. Its reliable all-wheel drive amphibious system allows smooth beach launches at the push of a button. No trailer stress, no waiting at ramps.
Powered by a 250 horsepower Yamaha outboard engine, it surges across the water at speeds up to 39 knots. On land, it moves steadily and confidently to shoreline or storage. Starting around $195,500, it's perfect for families, anglers, and coastal adventurers who demand seamless performance everywhere.
Beach launch? No problem. Meet the Stabicraft 205 SC, a compact amphibious powerhouse built for serious fishing and coastal adventure. Its rugged 6.24-meter aluminum hull delivers strength, durability, and easy towing convenience. Rated for up to 200 horsepower and backed by a 150-litre fuel tank, it offers confident performance and impressive range on open water. The premium Anura Amphibious system allows seamless transitions from land to sea, turning beach launches into a smooth, stress-free experience. Practical yet adventurous, it's engineered for versatility without compromise. In New Zealand, pricing typically ranges between $295,000 and $310,000, reflecting its premium amphibious capability and smart design. When the terrain fights back, this wins. Meet the Mudox XL, a true amphibious workhorse built for the toughest jobs on Earth. Designed for reliability, it offers a 57-horsepower Kubota diesel or an 85-horsepower Ford gas EFI engine, both paired with a smooth hydrostatic drive system for precise control. Forward, reverse, even zero-turn pivoting, it dominates tight and unpredictable terrain. With the ability to carry up to 2,000 pounds and tow around 2,500 pounds, this machine means serious business. Optional steering wheel or remote control configurations add flexibility. Starting near $49,995, it's rugged, capable, and ready for work or wild adventure.